Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how you can set the country of residence or change the country of residence in YouTube so that you can access some features that are not available in your country or region. First, open your YouTube and click on this logo or icon on top right and click on YouTube Studio. Once the YouTube Studio is open, click on this settings button in the bottom left. And here you can see general, channel and upload defaults, permissions and so on. Click on channel and here you will see country of residence and some keywords. From here you can set the country of your YouTube channel and you will have features available in that country. Just click on save and your country of residence will be changed in YouTube. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.